I am creating a civilization of ideas. That's right. I'm creating a civilization of ideas. So I am writing books, and the content on this channel will be the books that I'm writing at a rapid pace through technology. Explain later, not at this time. So it's going to be so much that it'll be a library of knowledge. There'll be a way to access this knowledge, and I will only, only share the knowledge from the books that I am having written. So it's at a fast pace. All content is about the books that I'm writing. Just finished a trilogy today. And it's about finding patterns in yourself and in others, which will reveal the truth and have implications for advancement. So, next video will teach one of the concepts, and I will be teaching these concepts over the years. And there's writing being done every single day, at least 2 chapters a day right now being written, and 4 chapters a day. One trilogy just of 3 books just was completed. Another one will be done sometime this week. It's been a long time. I didn't plan on coming back. I do have content and a new vision. But nevertheless, this is going to be very structured. There's no, oh, we're going to talk about this or that. It's going to be all content from books that are being written by me with the help of technology. So I hope you're doing well. I haven't made a video since July of 2025. Yes, around my birthday. Reason I quit then, but I'll explain some other time. All the videos, 800 and some videos have been deleted. So, see how things go. This is a new journey. Not my main mission, YouTube, but I have a new structure. See how it goes. And everything does take patience and time. Hope you're doing well, and let's reach dream fulfillment through the content that I will share, through the books that are being written by me with an alliance with technology. Have a blessed day, and if you have any comments, please share, and I hope I get the audience I'm looking for. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.